Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out side-by-side comparison between Black Edition and just the regular Outlander PHEV. This here is a Black Edition blackout package that we did here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. It's not something that would come out of factory like this, but it's a very cool looks I think we pulled off. And in this video, we'll have a look at all of it. We'll do the front, side, and back comparisons. We'll see exactly what we did, and we'll check out exactly all the comparisons side by side, so you can see if maybe you want to do something like that to your Outlander as well. So let's get going. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, find all accessory website links in comments. I'm gonna pin the comments so you can buy the hood emblems and side moldings for your Outlander if you wish as well. So free shipping to US, Canada, basically anywhere in the world. Let's get going here. And first we'll do the front comparison, then move to side, and then the rear. So we can already see a massive difference in terms of styling here. So this one is blacked out, added Outlander hood emblem as well. This one is just plain factory looks. Both are identical LE red trim levels, PHEV's Canadian spec. So we're comparing here apples to apples. So it's not like we're taking different trim level that somehow would have different wheels or anything else and it would just look different from factory. Same. Let's check it out. Top to the hood part, the front part, it's same, so there's no difference at all. Like, this is where all the difference is. See this dynamic chrome shield design? So this one here is deleted black, and also these across the grille lines are chrome deleted, and we added the Outlander hood emblem. We're also deleted the chrome around the fog lights right here, so this one here is all black. Looks real cool. And as we kind of zoom in a little bit closer, we can see all this chrome deleted part, and this is how the Outlander hood emblem looks. Very good. I really like it. So this time around we left this lower bumper part the way it is. There's also option to black this out. You can also black the mirror caps and the roof rails. There's a few more design avenues we could take with adding these black editions, but this is the looks that we opted in. Black edition versus just the regular factory looks. Very big difference, and a lot of people like these black editions that we do. They always sell well, and it adds extra spin to your Outlander. So now that we checked the front, let's check out the side comparison. And here is the side-by-side comparison. Pretty dramatic difference, I would say. Obviously, the black wheels are the first thing that pops out, and also this Outlander side molding is something that makes a big difference. The chrome delete for sure adds to this Black Edition package. Now, let's check out a little bit closer what we have here. So we took these wheels and painted them black. So they're same factory wheels as these, just painted black. Very big difference. Same you could do with these 20-inch as well. So we have 20-inch, and then on this example Black Edition that we did, we painted them black. So same design of wheel, just dramatically different looks once you paint them black. And same on these 18-inch wheels, huge difference. And then this chrome line here on the windows, around the windows, that's what makes a very big difference as well. So here we can see there's this chrome line going on, and this example on our right just looks a lot more shinier than this one here. This one, you can tell that this part takes away a lot of like chrome, and then the wheels, and then the Outlander side molding. Let's check out this side molding. When it comes to these side moldings, you can go two ways. Either you can put body colored side molding, like in this example right here, we have red body side molding, but on this one here, just because we're doing the Black Edition, we want that black, we want that contrast, we chose to do the black. And this one here is black diamond. It does have a little sparkle to it. When the direct sun hits the side molding, you can see the difference here. Outlander lettering, beautiful. And then we have this nice chrome line right here as well that really matches together with what's left on chrome with the vehicle with this plug-in hybrid EV badge, and these roof rails, they look a little bit different too. Very, very good visual effect added to this side molding, and these side moldings you can find on mrmitsubishi.ca. Free shipping to US, Canada, Puerto Rico, New Zealand, Australia, all the places. So this one here, clean factory looks. That's how they come from the factory. We can see we have shiny wheels, we have chrome line going on here, and that's how it looks. Side to side difference, very, very big difference, I would say. I really like how this turned out, and let's check out the back real quick. There's nothing really we did in the back, but let's check it out anyways. And this is the view from the back here. If we just look straight ahead, there's nothing we can see. There's no difference because we didn't black out the lower bumper part. It's exactly same looks on both vehicles. As we move to the side, then we can see, okay, here's the black wheels, here's chrome delete on the side. We can see the side molding right there. And on this one, we would you know, see the factory looks wheels, chrome, and no side molding, clean lines, clean looks. So there we go. That is it. So thank you so much for checking out this Black Edition transformation that we did here at Tri-City Mitsubishi. I hope you liked it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And this is how both of these cars look. Pretty cool. Thanks again for checking it out, and see you next time around.